So I'm making my guidelines a little bit thicker. Also, he has a high density of hair follicles in the back. Mostly every client is like that, just because the back part is a little bit more denser than the sides, so it's a little harder to fade. So you want to make sure you have extra room and you're paying a little bit more attention and spending more time here. Please don't get frustrated in this area, because sometimes when you're almost done with the haircut, you're on your last fucking side and you get tired and you're like, fuck this. Don't do that. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know that you're watching, you got this far into the video. I'll see you guys later. Now we're moving on to our tool guard all the way open, and we're nearing the calic area. You want to be very careful and diligent in this area, so pay attention. Now we're using the 1.5 guard to erase the line completely. Sometimes once you're done with your 1.5 guard, there's a slight line of darkness, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open and using your corners will help you erase that line. Moving on to the clipper over comb method near the calic area. This area is very important. Some people do not, well, most people do not like when you chop into this area and it's just floating hair. Do not do that. You always want to leave a little bit of weight and slowly blend into that weight. As you can see here, I'm grabbing the excess hair and I'm cutting it. I'm not cutting into it. I'm creating that silhouette shape with my comb, and I'm making sure I'm keeping it consistent as possible. Also, I want you guys to remember, when the cutting blade is horizontal, I'm debulking, and when the cutting blade is vertical, I'm blending. As you can see, the back is starting to come together and fall slowly. Moving on to his hairline, we're going to clip up the long hairs just so I don't cut them, and comb down all the baby hairs and debulk them with the 1 guard all the way open. Now that we're done debulking his hairline, we could go ahead with our Goat FX and start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. When lining your client up, you want to be very steady and slow to the touch. You don't want to rush or Before I line my client's beard up, I usually lay them back a little.